How to require customer accounts for checkout in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So basically, we are going to allow only people who access their Shopify account to actually check out with our store. So they can't really buy something unless they have an account and log in using it. Now, this is going to be obviously very beneficial for you. So let's just go ahead and set it up easily from the settings. So just go ahead and open up your Shopify admin. And then from here, all you need to do is just go ahead and go to the settings tab on the bottom left. Go ahead and click on that. And then once you click on that, all you need to do is just go ahead and select the checkout option from this dashboard. So once you select your checkout option here, we're going to pretty much go to customer contact method, which is going to be pretty much the first option that we see here. And here, obviously, you can set up your, the different contact methods, whether it's going to be phone number or email, or if you just want it to be email only. But the thing that we really want is this one right here. Require customers to log into their account before checkout. Customers can only use email when login is required. So if you check this, it's pretty much going to turn on this feature for you. So it's going to say requiring a login may discourage some customers from checking out and reduce your store's total orders to manage the current login experience, and you get the idea. So what they're pretty much saying is that yes, it could be beneficial in some points, but at the same time, maybe some people are going to feel lazy to actually go ahead and log in order to check out with a specific order. So they may just go ahead and skip the entire process overall. But at the same time, you get the idea that you actually need them to log in to in order to check out. So this is going to be completely up to you. It is completely optional whether you actually want to turn it on or off. And obviously, with this comes the whole customer accounts settings that you will need to pay attention to. And if you did not do anything yet with it, you may just want to go to customer accounts here and give it a look. Here you can obviously select the different customer accounts type of actual login that you want. So whether it's going to be customer accounts or legacy, and obviously the more stuff down here that you can also manage. So like self-serve returns and so on. All of this is going to be important for you to set up because this entire thing is pretty much the login section for your customers. So make sure this is first set and ready to go, and then just go ahead and do the setting that we just talked about within the checkout menu. And obviously there are going to be some more stuff down here, but this is pretty much all you need to do. So just make sure this is checked, which is require customers to log in into their account before checkout, and you're good to go. You can actually go ahead and exit out of here safely, and you're set. And obviously you can feel free to turn it off whenever you want. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.